In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the year-on-year growth percentage in Tableau. This process is straightforward and will take you about 5 minutes. Let's dive in and get started. First, launch your Tableau application. Once you've opened it, navigate to your worksheet where you'll be doing your calculations. If you're not already familiar with it, we'll be using the construction spending data source for this demonstration. Make sure it's selected and ready to access, as this will be the foundation of our work. Now look over to your rows shelf. What we need to do here is drag the period name field into it. This will lay out your data along a timeline. For clarity and precision in our analysis, we need to break this down further. So, go ahead and break the period name into quarters. This will allow you to compare growth on a quarterly basis, making your insights more targeted. Next, let's refine our data. Drag category description onto the filter shelf. You'll see a series of options appear. Check total construction and then click OK. This filtering step ensures we're only working with the specific data relevant to our analysis, which in this case is the total construction data. With our data organized and filtered, it's time to move to the column shelf. Drag value over to the ABC columns. This step will position our core metrics alongside our time periods, giving you a clearer view of how values change over time. Now, click on the drop-down menu on the Value field and select Quick Table Calculation. From there, click on Year-over-Year Growth. Tableau will instantly calculate the year-on-year growth for your data. This feature quickly provides a snapshot of growth trends directly on your visualization without any manual calculations. For those who prefer a more hands-on approach, you can also perform this calculation manually. To do this, drag the Value field again onto the View columns. Then follow the same path by selecting the drop-down menu, clicking on Quick Table Calculation, and this time choosing % difference. Once you have your calculation set, click on Value once more and then Edit Table Calculation. From here, select Specific Dimensions. This selection allows you to precisely control how the calculations are applied across different dimensions in your dataset. Ensure that you uncheck quarter of per name to focus your calculation correctly without redundancy. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to calculate year-on-year growth percentages in Tableau. Whether you use the built-in quick calculations or take a manual approach, this process empowers you to extract meaningful insights from your data. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find this tutorial helpful in your Tableau projects.